How to view student training activity. So once you're logged into the CMP system or client member portal, you're going to want to navigate to the students menu. You can do so by going from the top nav menu and click on students, or from the dashboard, click on the arrow within the students button. We're going to click on the arrow here. This is going to take you to the students menu. Now you're going to see every student or employee for your company in here. Now this can be a representation of employees that have taken classes with ehsInc already or who are anticipating to take a future class with ehsInc. Now in this case we have student photos for every student here. Now in some cases you will find a human silhouette which indicates that the student did not have a photo taken or that student elected not to have his or her photo taken. From this menu, you can go ahead and click on the student ID number. This will take you to a menu with more information about that student, their ID number, their first and last name, and email, and associated company name. And you can also see their online student profile page from the Actions column here. Just by clicking on the profile icon here, it's going to take you to their online student profile page where you can view all of their training activity and their e-training record card. And you can also click on the certificate icon here so you can download the certificates via PDF for each respective course. And also you can export this data via a CSV file, Excel, or PDF.